I got a meeting in like in about 20 minutes. So yeah. We're gonna see. I'm gonna see if I can do part 2, day 4. And I'm gonna be streaming such a short amount of time. I doubt anyone's gonna have time to jump in the chat. So I will just get started. I'm just gonna get started right now. Okay, so I've actually already started this. I can go over. We can go over day 3. So I can actually real quick. I'll go over day 3. Right, Nate Coates, what's up? I'll go over day 3 real fast. So this is what I did for day 3. This is my secret sauce, right? First of all, I didn't use uiua. That's the first thing. And so I did kind of what I did before, right? I got all the stars and I pushed the line number in the index. And then from there, I loop over all the stars and then I just get all the numbers on top, right? December sucks if you don't like programming puzzles. I mean, I honestly don't. No Good Nick, what's up? Nate Codes, I don't like them either. Like, but I feel like if I ever want to interview anywhere, I should get good at them, right? Like, I don't like them either. And there's really the thing I don't like about them is that there's no economic value. Like, no one's gonna pay you money to solve Advent of Code, right? Yeah, U128, dude, I went all out. ASC has absolutely taken over Twitch. It has. But yeah, the reason I don't like programming puzzles in general is that there's no actual value, right? How many years of experience? I mean, I have a lot of years of experience, but honestly, I just don't have a lot of connections. I have connections from previous jobs, but like, I don't really maintain them. I shouldn't have done that. And I deleted my LinkedIn straight up. Last time I interviewed, I didn't have to do any coding. Oh, really? Yeah, I have not interviewed for the last 3 jobs. So over the last like 8 years, I have not interviewed. I just have recommendations and they just go, yeah, this guy's good. You shouldn't be interviewing. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what Nate Codes. Okay, so I am doing it. Yeah. So like the last 3 jobs. Yeah, the last 3 jobs I just go, like someone just goes, yeah, you need a person to do this. Okay, I know this person, right? Yeah, I mean, code challenges, like the puzzles are more for recent grads, but there are probably better questions. That is true. I did interview at GitHub, and they didn't actually ask me any coding puzzles, so that's good. But yeah, you're gonna build stuff. Yeah, that's true. But I, you know what? I don't actually enjoy them, but I like to see if I could solve them, you know? But anyway, so that's what I did. I got all the numbers on top, right? So for each star, I get all the numbers on top, and this is what it looks like. Basically, I loop through all the lines -1. I just get all the numbers. And going through this, it's actually really stupid basic, but yeah. So this is my solution, right? So I get all the numbers on top, and then from the top numbers, right, then I filter out the numbers that contain. So from the left of the number and the right of the number on top, I check if the star or the asterisk is in that, if the index of the asterisk is in that same value, and it works. Like, you know, and I do that for everything. I do that for the bottom. For the left and right, I just get 1 value, but it totally works. And that's kind of like what the matrix stuff and all that, like parsing backwards and all that stuff. I was like, yeah, I'm not going to do that, you know, not going to do that. But yeah, I mean, I feel like it's pretty readable, but yeah. Yeah, so I'm doing day 4. Yeah, I just want to go over day 3, but I'm doing day 4, right? And of course, day 4, part 2. I know it's recursive. I understand. Okay, I understand. Day 4, part 2 is recursive. Yeah, no, I did day 3. That's what I'm saying. I did it. Let me see. Let's look at this. Let's look at this link. This Erlang, this sweet Erlang. Also, this is gonna be a super short stream. I'm going to end in like 25 minutes because I got a meeting. Let me see. Oh, you've got a test. Look at this. Nightshade Dude has a test. Incredible. Let's see. Nums, cares, land. Oh, yeah, tuple. Okay. What is walk? What in the world is walk? Oh, is that you're trying to get all the numbers, right? Oh, you're building up a number. Okay. Wow, look at all this. Nightshade Dude, what in the world is this? It just keeps going. What am I looking at? Oh, you're doing it for each symbol? Dude, what in the world? What in the world? Nightshade Dude, like, what is this? Feature complete. That is true, though. Dude, this is crazy. This is a lot of Erlang. I mean, like, let's look. Let me go back to my day 3 for Rust. Let me see. What did I do? For part 2, it actually is a lot. Let me see. Yeah, it's a lot of code, but like not that much, right? This is the whole solution. And then I basically just like get then I just call out to these functions, right? And then left num is even less. And then I have right and then bottom, right? I call it bums, you know? I call it bums, but yeah. So I have a function that gets all the numbers basically, right? And I kept with the surrounding. I surrounded the whole thing with periods, right? And so now I can just do this to get all the numbers out of a given line. So I get all the numbers out, I get all the stars out, and then I compare the indexes where they fall. That's basically it, right? I mean, I think it's a pretty grug solution, but yeah, IQ overflow. If it's dumb and it works, it ain't dumb. That's true. I could condense it, but where's the fun in that? That's true. I'm the creator of uiua. Oh my gosh. The creator of look, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I could not wrap my head day 3 with uiua. I'm sorry, but day 4, part 1, that could be a uiua. That could definitely be a uiua. It's so simple. You shall be judged for your crimes. But yes, the creator of uiua, welcome. Okay, but maybe we should do a little uiua today, instead of, because I already did day 4 when part 1 in Rust, but I want to imagine reading the tutorial. That is true. Look, I didn't read it. I didn't read the tutorial. That's my problem. Okay, like, oh, I did. I clicked it, right? But yeah, I didn't like go through it though, you know. But maybe I should go through. I should have just one stream for going through uiua and like understanding all this stuff, right? Usually what I do now with uiua, if I get stuck, is there's even challenges, right? Yeah, I should go through this. I should honestly go through this on a stream one time. That's what I should do. It's a good point. Look, it's a good point. All right. But I mean, it's funny. Like, am I the only one who doesn't read docs? Am I the only one? But yeah, I wanted to do day 4, part 2 in Rust, because I don't know if I'm close. I don't think I'm close. I mean, I know that it's recursive. That's all I know, right? Docs are the worst. Yeah, I just like to jump into things, you know? I like to build things, you know, badly at first, and then I'll just keep getting better over time. Takes forever, but what are you going to do? Yeah, day 1, part 1 is easy. Part 2, not so much. So the thing about, I can at least think through this because I've already written a horrible implementation that doesn't work, right? Let me show you. So this is my idea, right? I basically want, let's get rid of this actually. Let me restart this. Let me restart this over. So I basically want a function, right? That takes, what am I calling it? Scratch card. That takes a card, right? Or a reference to a card, whatever. It takes the running total, right? It takes the running total of cards, right? And then that's like a mutable U size or something, right? Whoops, mute U size or something, right? I've done day 4 and I'm done with AOC this year. Yeah, and honestly, like it takes me so long. Like that's the thing that bugs me is like some of them are super easy. Like this I did in like 10 minutes, right? Not even like 5 minutes. I was like, oh, I just have to find if these are in here. That's pretty easy, right? Like, and so I did that, right? So part one is here. I commented it out, but yeah. So if I can I do this? Oh my gosh, I have to go by paragraph. Okay, that's fine. All right, so like if I just do this, there we go. So I've got this like horrible get points, right? Because that was the only like tricky part, I guess, to part one. But basically what I've done is I just split, right? I do 2 splits, then I get the left and the right. I trim the left and the right. I split on space, right? I iterate over the right numbers. I know in uiua this would be overpowered because in uiua you can just check if member that, and then you just do where member XY, right? So like I know that in uiua, but like here I have to do this. I know there's a way to do like an intersection in Rust with 2 vex, but I just did it the dumb way, okay? And then I collect into a hash set to get rid of dupes, right? So I loop over the right numbers, filter any that are empty. I don't even parse them as numbers. Then I just check to see if the left number contains the right number. Then it's a hash set. And then I do the get points thing, right? Which it took me a second to like understand what the get points thing was doing. So I didn't actually, I was like, what is this get points? It's so weird. It was worded weird for me. Let's see. I'm going to pin this. We're going to pin this. We're going to pin this thing. Look, I just wanted to do uiua and I wanted an excuse. Day 6 should have been day 3. I still haven't finished day 3. It was so easy. Part 2 is easier than part 1, day 6. Okay. Look, I had to get through day 5 first, right? This sums up. Is the color scheme Tokyo Night? Yes, it is. Yeah, it's good enough. Yeah, it's good enough. So yeah, part 2, I think what I need to do, if we read through this, right? Oh my gosh, I got 20 minutes. If we read through this, okay? This is what, so I want a function that takes in a card, finds matching numbers, and then the number of matching numbers will determine the next set of cards. So, and then so I'm going to have a function that takes in a card, finds, which I kind of did, right? I kind of did that. But yeah, I basically need the card is just the number at left and right, right? It's just a tuple. So I take in a card and a running total of like how many copies I have, right? So the number of copies starts at 1, and then we've got +4, right? And then I loop over all of these and call the same function, right? So like from here, I'll call the same function, and then that function will for each one. So then I'll have a copy. I'll have 1 copy of card 2, right? And then that will win me a copy of cards 3 and 4, right? And so that hopefully that recursion will allow me to do the thing. I did do it, but it doesn't work at all. So that's why I was like, I should just start over. But yeah, this was my original idea, and I think my problem is that it's my like offsets or something, right? I use the difference in the length of both sides minus the number of things they have in common. The difference of the length of both sides minus the number of things. Oh, okay, yeah. No, mine isn't better. Mine is not better. I made a digit enum with fromster and walked slices of each line, attempting to parse a digit for day 1. What in the world? I don't even understand what that means. Bunker Frog, what's up? No, I know. Look, it was in the thing. It's in the title, all right? It says Rust. It doesn't say uiua. Although, day 4, part 1, I should do in uiua, okay? uiua would be like 5 characters, I'm sure. Maybe I should do that instead, actually. Instead of trying to actually solve this, right, with Rust. Since everyone wants uiua, okay, we'll do day 4, part 1 uiua, okay? Let's try it. Let's open up a uiua pad, all right? I just totally changed this. Should I change the title? How do I do that? uiua has 4 letters, Rust has 4 letters, and they both have U's. too, Monka Frog. Okay, they both have U's. Let me see. So let's just let's actually skip all the parsing, and let's just do it for the example, right? Let's just do it for this. We're just gonna skip all the parsing, right? Because we don't even need this really for part 1, right? We're just gonna skip all of that. Let's I'm gonna actually open up a scratch thing here, right? And then we'll just do like card, delete, okay. And then these, I'm just gonna delete all of these, and then I'm gonna do yeah, I'm gonna delete all these, and then I'm going to just separate these for a second. Wait, can I not do that? Oh, okay, I can't do that. We'll just do this. There we go. And then we'll just, on space, we'll replace it with an underscore, right? Wait, can I do that? Oh, geez. Oh, no. Hold on. What? How do I do? I don't even know how to do this. Select space, enter, replace underscore. There we go. And then we'll just do this. And so now we have the numbers, and we'll do the same thing here, right? Because I don't want to sit here parsing with uiua, right? Parsing's not, it's not good. No, uiua is good. Like, but I'm saying parsing is it's like so basic. Let me see. Split on space again, underscore, right? There you go. And we'll get rid of double underscores, right? We'll get rid of double. We'll just do this. Select double underscores, delete, replace with just an underscore. There we go. All right, so now we have two things in uiua. We have a two-dimensional array in uiua, right? So we'll just copy that in instead, right? There we go. So if I put that on the stack, you can see it here, right? Oh, you know what I actually need is I need to actually surround these, right? We'll just put all of these on the stack. Actually, can I just do this? Can I just surround this like this? Oh, shoot. It needs to be boxed. All right, we'll just do this. Oh, I can't do this. I have to actually box them, right? So that's the first thing then, right? That's the first thing. Oh, I see. I have, what is this? Why is this different? Oh, it's this value on the stack, and then it's this one. So this is left and then right. We might be able to work with this, right? Just wrapping, yeah. Hacked and solved, how dare he? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. What's the end game? Why are we? Wait, what's happening? Make sure the title's mutable. Yeah, here, we'll change the title. Part one. How do I get rid of this thing? What is this? Does it go away? Oh, there we go. Part 1, uiua. There we go. Let's do this. Done. Okay. There we go. But all the lefts in one array and all the rights in another. That is true. Did I single-handedly change your mind? Monka Frog, yes, you did. Well, and the creator of uiua is here. So we got to do a little uiua. Yeah, I can't wrap these, right? Because they got to be boxed. Is that because they're different lengths, right? But even if I try to wrap the whole thing, that's not going to work. So I guess I could do, yeah, I'd have to actually box, right? Or I could do two things on the stack, right? So if I do like what does member do again? Let's look at member. I want to use member. I think I want member and I want where, right? Because member will give me a bunch of ones and zeros, right? That are at the indexes of the ones that exist, right? So let me try that. Member of one array in another, right? So I think for this, we'll just put this here for now, because I probably have to do like some iterator thing and like, but we'll just do, what if I just do member? Okay, so here, just with one operation, we've got 41. Wait, we got to flip. There we go. So Wait, is this right? 41, 48?
You're embarrassing yourself in front of the creator of Wii.
Oh, maybe I have to sort them first. Do I have to sort? Oh, no, I don't have to sort, right? I am. It is sad. Wee woo, wee woo. Yeah. To call the language wee wee. That's terrible. All right, let me think about this. What does member do? Let's look at it. Member 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so this is the. Check if each row of one array exists in another, right? Ooh, this actually would work for multi-dimensional arrays. But I'd have to do like a par member unbox or box if I wanted to do it for arrays that are different shapes and different sizes, right? Yeah, or different sizes. So let me say member 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one is kind of what I want, I think. So 1 exists at 1 and 3 exists at 0, 1, 0, right? Wait. Oh, I'm finding actually I don't actually hold on. 1 is at 0? What in the world am I looking at? 1 and 3 exist, right? Oh, I see. It's taking this and seeing if they exist in this left one. If the ones on the right exist in the ones on the left, right? All right, so let's look at the stack, right? Before I do this. So if I pop one off the stack, it's the right one, right? So if I do member on this stack value, I think the first one is gonna be, I think this is 0, 1, 48, 83. Yeah, this is right. 86, 17. Look, this was set up, okay? This was set up for uiua, all right? This already is the answer, right? It's these values here. Wow. I almost can't believe this. I didn't think it was going to be this easy. Let's see. And then we just do where, right? But we need to actually duplicate. Oh, but now we need to like flip and duplicate. Or we need to do like a dip, right? Oh, no, we got it. 0, 1, 2, 3, right? But if I didn't do that. Oh, actually, it just does it. Okay, so now I have the indexes, but I need the indices. But I need the, what is this, 83? I need to duplicate the top, the other one, right? 0, 1, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5? Oh. 4 is, oh, that's not right. Okay, so let me see. What does it look like? So this is correct, but I need to actually duplicate. Which one do I need to duplicate? Is it this? What if I did this? Oh, I need to actually flip, duplicate, flip back. Maybe it wasn't made. I mean, I guess the thing I could do is like x equals this, which it's not point free. You know, it's not point free. But we could make it easier on ourselves, I guess, and just do member xy. And then from there, we would do where. And then from there, we would just select from x, right? So that's the answer, right? It's literally 3 characters. It's literally 3 characters. Dude, it's you know, it's good. It's good. uiua does have an LSP. Yes, it does. Oh, okay, there you go. Yeah, that's it. That's the whole solution. Of course, now I need to do it for all of these, and I need to make it point free. And I've got 13 minutes. It's not going well. And I knew this one was going to be a good uiua one, but I solved it anyway in Rust like a dummy. Okay, so let me see. So now, actually, we need what's the other thing? What is this? In the above has 5 winning numbers, right? And 17. Wait. Did I do this right? I don't even think I did it right. It has 5 winning numbers, right? 41. Oh, it has 5 winning numbers. Yeah. But the numbers that are in, I did it right. Has 4 of them. 48 are winning numbers. Yeah. This means card 1 is worth 8 points, right? 1 for the first match. Ooh. Yeah, getting these points though. I'm not sure about this points part. I don't know how to do that in uiua. I'm learning Rust. This ASC don't make me sad. It's hard. Monkey Frog, it is hard. It's uiua time, Andrew. I've been doing uiua. We're doing uiua. But yeah, I've only got like 12. I've got wow. I've got like no minutes. I got like 10 minutes. Okay, let me see. Let me see about this. Yeah, look, this is great. I actually really love this. But the points. Now I've got to think about the points. How do I calculate points? So for the first point, it's this should be 8, right? And I guess the way I did it, in Rust is what did I do? Or was it? What I get points, right? I did it so stupidly. Like I was just in such a hurry to try to get it done. How can I make this like more functional? I guess, right? So basically, if there are no matches, it's 0. But for each match, I start the points at 1, right? And then I just loop over them. Yeah, I don't know if there's a better way. And then I multiply points by 2 for each match. I actually don't know how to do this in uiua. How would I do this? I'd have to generate. Well, I have an array. I have an array here. I have an array here of 4 values, right? Oh, this is so ugly. Let me try to do it. Let me try to do it with the stack, right? Let me just try to do it with the stack first. So let's just do this. If I flip dupe, right? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. So the top of the stack is this, and then if I just do a member on these 2. Oh, preferred dip. Oh, shoot. That is true. So I'd have to do like a dip dot, right? There we go. But I can also, but dip takes a function, right? And call a function, right? So this, I'd have to actually do this, right? Ooh, that changed. Yeah, maybe we'll just do that. Dip, and then we'll do member. Ooh, it changed. Now I have to dip and flip. I gotta dip and flip, and then I've got to do where, right? And then I have the right value. Nice. Look at this point free. Look at this uiua solution. Look at this. I dipped, and then I flipped, and then I did a member, where, select. Dude, this is sick. Like, this is incredible. Of course, now I need to do that for every. I need to partition this. So let's comment this out. And let's see if I can actually do this for each of these. I need to par box, right? Let's just do that. Let's do, I need to actually partition, right? Let's look at partition real quick. Where's partition? Crossfault, oh, there it is, partition. Okay. Monadic, baby. 2 argument modifier. I think it's called power. Oh, is it called power? He removed unbox from the language. Oh, shoot. There's no more unbox. There's a message for you on the docs page below the word tutorial. Let's go. Let's go to tutorial. What is the message? Hold on. What am I looking at? What is this? Tutorial? Wait. What did I do? Hold on. Let's go uiua tutorial, right? In uiua, all operations operate on a global stack. Is this what you're talking about right here? Look, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, in the docs page. Oh, below. If you are new to uiua, you will likely be lost if you don't read this. Look, I'm sorry. Advent of code marches on. Okay, I only have so much time in the day. All right, the main docs page. Yeah. Look, I'm sorry. All right, but I should do a proper learning uiua stream, and I should go through all of these, right? Because yeah, I've just been leaning on Weewisms, which Weewisms, like, it's, it's pretty good. Look, I'm sorry. Okay, creator of uiua, I'm sorry to let you down. All right, but it's true. Everyone watching this, go through the tutorial. Okay. Only so much time in a day and use it to write Ruby. Rexace, I use it to make money. Okay, someone's got to support my uiua obsession. Okay. Ferret here.
Hello, Peter.
Ferret here.
What's
Welcome.
happening?
Okay, I've got. Oh my gosh, I've got 5 minutes. Let me go back to the uiua thing, right? So I've got to. We've got a partition, right? Partition. There's no more box. Oh, there's no more unbox. There is a box though, right? So we can do. Let's do partition. Let's just do partition. Actually, maybe I want a group. I don't want a partition, right? Oh, groups. Okay. Maybe I actually want a group. Let me see. Where's group? There it is. Group. Group elements of an array. Oh, that's not good, right? Group identity. Yeah, that's not really what I want to do though, right? Group elements of an array into buckets by index. Yeah, that's definitely not what I want. I just want to put both of these arrays into one array, right? I can get you a crypto mining so you don't have to write Ruby. Oh my gosh, could you imagine? I know cryptos and Rust, like it's huge, right? Rust and crypto is not, I don't know why. I honestly have no clue. The first array must be rank 1 and contain integers. Consecutive rows in the second array that line up with groups of the same key in the first array will be grouped together. Okay, so let's just try, right? We're just going to try it. Where was I? We're just going to try to partition identity, right? Can I do that? How do we do identity? Oh, identity doesn't have a little shortcut thing. Can I partition array of shape 8 with markers of length 5? Okay. Okay, so that's not good, right? I can't do this. So this is length 5, right? And it fails because this is length 8. So I have to box, sorry, hit the box. So let's do par box, right? Oh, it still doesn't like that. This is when let's just look at the docs. I only have 2 minutes. Let's just look at the docs. Okay. Stack notation, yes. Okay. Duplicate. Make multi-dimensional arrays. Yeah, but they have to be the same. They have to be the same thing. Combine 2 arrays as rows of a new array. Oh, you know what I could do is I could just fill in empties, right? That would be the other thing instead of boxing, right? So I'd have to like, how do I fill? What is fill? Set the fill value for a function? No, that's not quite what I want. Where's weewisms? I need weewisms. Oh, this isn't going to work. For intersection of arrays. This is all on stack, put in array. I know, but like, I can't put it in an array, right? I can't put it in an array, right? Because I cannot couple arrays with shapes 5 and 8, right? So I need to, oh my gosh. Where's weewism? Sorry, it's the time. It's getting to me. My meeting's just hanging over my head. Or it's hanging over my neck, you know? Wait, what is this? It's common to use box to encapsulate groups of different shapes. Par box. Didn't I not do that? Did I do that, though? Right? I tried that. I did try this. Oh, I even did this. If the values returned by the function do not have the same shape, concatenation will fail. Oh, there it is. It's in the docs. It's in the docs. It's common to use box to encapsulate. Okay, so let's try par box again. Oh, I see. I need to do everything as an array individually, not the stack. Can I just do, how do I make an array from a, oh, do I do fix? Wait. No. I have to do, I can't do fix. What do I do? What if I do rows? Oh, what if I do like, shoot, I actually don't know how to do this. I guess I could just put them all in arrays manually, right? But there should be a way. There should be a way to take all these stack values, loop over everything on the stack? Maybe I just like repeat 12 times, right? Fix? Oh, freaking A. Maybe it's not what I don't want to repeat. All right, I'm out of time actually. I got my meeting. Dang it, freaking A. But anyway, you know, if there was just one value, right? Or if there was two values, I guess, right? This would work, which is really cool. And then from here, you do the points thing, right? Which I don't know how to do. But I will take the uiua creators' words of wisdom and I will read the tutorial. Okay, I will read the docs and the tutorial. Repeat ID 10. Oh, does that work? Really? Okay. All right. I gotta go. I can't even raid because I have no time. I'll be back tomorrow. But yeah, today was a short one. Sorry, too many meetings. I'm sorry. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. I gotta actually end the stream though.